Whether you're an experienced producer or just a beginner, a drum machine is one of the greatest tools to have in your writer's toolbox. We tested out 8 popular products and picked out the best machine for beginners. Here is the best drum machine 2022 you can buy. If you want to buy these products, check the description below. I will include the product link. You must subscribe to the channel before watching the video. If you want to watch such videos, please like, share and comment. Here is the number 1 chord drum machine. String patterns together to create full songs. Users can chain with nearly no limitation, which means that you can also create entire sets of music. Don't like what you just recorded? You now have an undo available with the press of a couple of buttons. Users can now see the original position of any knob on the panel for any part on screen. Complete tools for the creation and performance of any genre of electronic music with Ableton Export. Number 2, Roland Compact Drum Machine. Elevate your drum tracks, make beats on the go, and experience the joy of hands-on production. With the TR6S, the sound of classic tracks, today's trends, and tomorrow's hits are always within reach. The compact and affordable TR6S has the same speaker pummeling, window rattling, body-moving sound of its bigger sibling. You get 6 tracks of advanced drum sequencing and the most iconic rhythm sounds in music history, all in a battery-powered box that fits just about anywhere. Large preset sample library with support for custom user samples. Advanced sequencer with substeps, flam, step loop, motion recording, and more. Number 3, Native Instruments Drum Controller. Integrated hardware-software system includes sampler, arranger, mixer, FX, and more. Includes 25 GB complete 11 select library featuring 25 Pro Quality Studio and Creative FX. 96 kHz, 24-bit audio interface with 2x1/4 TRS line outputs, 2x1/4 TRS line inputs, 1/4 dynamic mic input, stereo headphone output. Touch-sensitive knobs for parameter tweaking. Compatible with all major DAWs, including Ableton Live, Logic Pro, Cubase, GarageBand, FL Studio, audio units, or AX32 and AX64 plugin with full multicore support. Smart strip for strumming notes, pitch bending sounds, performing with FX, and more. Number 4, AKAI Professional MPK Mini Keyboard Controller. Music production and beatmaker essential, USB-powered MIDI controller with 25 mini MIDI keyboard velocity-sensitive keys for studio production, virtual synthesizer control and beat production. Innovative 4-way thumbstick for dynamic pitch and modulation control, plus a built-in arpeggiator with adjustable resolution, range and modes. 8 backlit velocity-sensitive MPC-style MIDI beat pads with note repeat and full level for programming drums, triggering samples and controlling. Complete command of your virtual instruments and FX8 360-degree knobs assigned to all your music studio plugins for mixing, tweaking synth controls and more. Number 5, PreSonus Atom MIDI Pad Controller. Tight integration with included Studio One Artist and Ableton Live music production software gets your mind off the screen and back on the beat. Produce, play virtual instruments, and trigger samples and loops with unsurpassed expressiveness and flexibility. Trigger loops and effects and play virtual instruments with 16 full-size velocity and pressure-sensitive RGB LED pads. Selectable pad velocity curves and pressure thresholds customize the pad's response for maximum expression. MIDI keyboard mode, note repeat mode, and full velocity mode. Set looping points, navigate the timeline, zoom and slash out on the timeline or events, and edit. Number 6, Akai Professional MPC Studio MIDI Controller. USB-powered MIDI controller, 8 banks of 16 RGB MPC velocity and pressure-sensitive pads with aftertouch ensure maximum expression to capture every detail of your performance. Assign and control parameters like effects and note repeat within MPC software for real-time, tactile performances, an ideal complement to your home studio. Tangible controls for hands-on experience, transport controls, LCD color display, chords and scale modes for creating your own signature sounds. Educational features, MPC Academy, preset sounds, audio tracks, sound packs with demos and templates so every beginner can start producing on the spot. Number 7, Alesis USB MIDI Keyboard Controller. MIDI keyboard with 25 full-sized, square front, semi-weighted keys with aftertouch. USB MIDI and 5-pin MIDI out offer flexible MIDI connectivity. 16 velocity-sensitive trigger pads with illuminated RGB feedback for beat production and clip launching. Pitch and modulation wheels deliver expressive, creative control. Manipulate plugins and virtual instruments with hands-on controls. With 625, you can open and close filters on virtual synthesizers, adjust volume levels in your mix, activate effects, and much more.